How to hide active status on Messenger and Facebook. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Messenger application in your mobile device. And just like that, simply log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on this menu icon. After that, here you will be able to find settings option, tap onto it. Here you will see an option that says active status. Tap onto it and make sure this button is turned off. Now head back to your home screen and then open up Facebook. And then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on this profile icon. Then tap on this letter icon right over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Then select settings. Inside here, scroll down and then search for active status. Tap onto it and make sure this button is turned off. That's it. Once you do this, your online status will be hidden and no one will see when you're active on Facebook or Messenger. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.